Are you struggling with relentless sugar cravings, chronic bloating, brain fog, or mysterious joint pain? These symptoms are all pointing to one silent, dangerous problem: severe damage to your gut lining. This is leaky gut syndrome. Toxins are pouring from your intestines into your bloodstream, causing chaos. Imagine taking one simple, cheap white powder that acts like high-powered cement to patch up those holes. The secret is the most abundant amino acid in your body, the primary fuel source for gut and immune repair. This compound is scientifically proven to heal the intestinal wall, shut down inflammation, and end cravings. Studies confirm it is the #1 nutrient for reversing leaky gut and enhancing immune response. This is the ultimate, non-drug secret to repairing your second brain and improving mental clarity. We'll expose the specific, crucial dosage and the best time to take it for maximum healing and detox. If you ignore this intestinal damage, you risk chronic inflammation, autoimmune issues, and accelerating aging. This simple powder can melt belly fat by reducing inflammation and normalizing gut function. Don't skip the final warning about the common food that actively destroys the benefits of this healing. Amino acid. Stay tuned to Natural Health Secrets to master the ultimate secret to full gut repair and total wellness. Are you constantly battling relentless sugar cravings, suffering from painful, chronic bloating, struggling with frustrating brain fog, or experiencing mysterious aches and joint pain? If you feel like your body is chronically inflamed and running on empty, there is a fundamental internal breakdown you must address. These frustrating symptoms are all red flags pointing directly to one silent, dangerous problem: severe, accelerating damage to the lining of your intestines. This hidden damage is medically known as leaky gut syndrome, a serious breach in your internal defenses that allows toxins, undigested food, and waste to pour uncontrollably from your intestines into your bloodstream, causing widespread chaos. Imagine having access to one simple, affordable white powder that you can take daily, which acts like high-powered cement, actively patching up those dangerous, microscopic holes in your gut lining. The secret to this powerful, rapid internal healing is the most abundant amino acid found in your body, the primary, essential fuel source for your gut cells, your immune system, and your brain. This powerful compound is scientifically proven to heal the intestinal wall, tighten the cellular glue that stops the leaks, shut down systemic inflammation, and miraculously curb those intense sugar cravings. Clinical studies confirm this is the #1 therapeutic nutrient required for reversing leaky gut syndrome, strengthening your immune response, and providing foundational support for muscle and nerve tissue. This is the ultimate, non-drug secret to repairing your entire second brain, improving nutrient absorption, and enhancing your mental clarity and focus by as much as 50%. We'll expose the specific, crucial therapeutic dosage and the exact best time to take this essential powder for maximum gut healing, detoxification, and immune boosting. If you continue to ignore this intestinal damage, you are risking chronic, debilitating inflammation, the onset of autoimmune issues, severe anxiety, and accelerating the overall aging process of your body. This simple white powder can also help melt stubborn belly fat by calming the hormonal chaos, caused by gut inflammation and normalizing your body's response to food. Don't skip the final warning about the specific common food that actively destroys the benefits of this crucial healing amino acid, preventing your gut from ever fully recovering. Stay tuned to Natural Health Secrets to master the ultimate secret to full gut repair, rapid healing, and total systemic wellness. The miraculous nutrient that acts as the high-powered cement for your intestinal wall is L-Glutamine. It is classified as a conditionally essential amino acid. L-Glutamine is the single most vital fuel source for the enterocytes, which are the cells that make up the intestinal lining. When the gut is damaged by stress, toxins, or poor diet, L-Glutamine is the repair crew leader. When the gut is leaky, L-Glutamine works by strengthening the tight junctions, the cellular glue that keeps the intestinal barrier sealed and stops the flow of toxins into your bloodstream. By sealing the gut, you immediately reduce the inflammatory load on your immune system, which translates directly into reduced joint pain, clearer skin, and dramatically reduced fatigue. Let's address the powerful effect L-Glutamine has on sugar cravings and brain function. This is a massive benefit for metabolic health. L-Glutamine is an alternative fuel source for the brain and body that does not cause an insulin spike when the brain signals that it needs quick energy. L-Glutamine can satisfy that craving without triggering the sugar addiction cycle by calming the brain's demand for instant glucose. L-Glutamine helps normalize your response to food, effectively stopping those intense, uncontrollable sugar and carbohydrate cravings. Furthermore, L-Glutamine is a precursor to glutamate and GABA, to critical neurotransmitters. It helps balance brain chemistry, reducing anxiety and improving overall cognitive function, thus helping to clear brain fog. This makes L-Glutamine an essential tool for anyone trying to lose weight, stabilize blood sugar, or overcome food addiction. The typical therapeutic dosage for severe leaky gut syndrome or chronic gut issues is high, generally ranging from 5 to 10 grams of L-Glutamine powder per day. This should be split into 2 doses. The best time to take L-Glutamine is first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and again before bed. Taking it on an empty stomach ensures maximum contact with the intestinal lining for repair. Before the distraction of food, mix the prescribed dose of the simple white powder with 6 to 8 ounces of water. Since it is virtually tasteless, it integrates easily into your morning ritual. If you are finding this information on gut repair and craving control life-changing, please hit the like button right now and subscribe to Natural Health Secrets. You deserve to feel well from the inside out. The immune-boosting power of L-Glutamine cannot be overstated. It is the primary fuel for all rapidly dividing cells, including the cells of your immune system lymphocytes and macrophages, because a majority of your immune system resides in the gut lining. Repairing the gut with L-Glutamine provides a double defense, sealing the barrier and fueling the soldiers, creating a truly robust immune response. This is why L-Glutamine is widely used by athletes and those recovering from surgery or illness. It accelerates the recovery process by fueling cellular repair throughout the entire body. L-Glutamine also plays a direct role in detoxification. It is a precursor to glutathione, the body's master detoxifying antioxidant, helping the liver efficiently process and eliminate toxins. This is a foundational supplement for reversing chronic fatigue, accelerating muscle recovery, and achieving overall systemic renewal. The final warning we promised concerns the common food that actively destroys the benefits of L-Glutamine. The primary culprit is excessive sugar intake and constant consumption of simple carbohydrates. The body uses L-Glutamine not only for repair, but also to detoxify the excess ammonia created when sugar and alcohol are metabolized. If your diet is consistently high in sugar, the L-Glutamine that should be patching your leaky gut is constantly being diverted to the liver to deal with the overwhelming toxic load, leaving your gut lining chronically starved and damaged. To see results from L-Glutamine, you must reduce your sugar and alcohol consumption to allow this precious amino acid to be available for its primary mission, intestinal repair. We've covered the gut cement secret, the dual benefits for cravings and brain fog, the immune boost, and the necessary dietary corrections. This simple white powder is your most powerful, affordable tool for sealing your gut, stopping internal inflammation, and reclaiming your physical and mental vitality. We have now armed you with the precise knowledge to safely leverage this ultimate gut repair food. Now, tell us in the comments below which benefit is most important to you healing the leaky gut, or finally conquering those persistent sugar cravings. We value your commitment to healing. If this video revealed why someone's chronic digestive or craving issues have persisted, please share it immediately with them. You could be giving them the key to freedom. And finally, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss our next video, where we expose the top 3 common supplements that are secretly accelerating your joint pain and inflammation. Thank you for trusting natural health secrets. Heal your gut and fuel your mind. We will see you next time with more breakthrough natural remedies.